Hey guys, it's Anna. Welcome back. We are staying at Art of Animation in the Lion King area, and today is a beautiful sunny day, so we're gonna head to the pools, try to explore all of the pools. We've been here before. It is amazing, but I'm gonna take you guys with me. We're gonna go to the big blue pool, we're gonna go to the flipping fins, and to the cars. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the bell so you'll be notified every single time I upload a new video. Without further ado, let's go swimming. guys, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them down in the comments below. We had an amazing time. We went to all 3 pools, the little playground, the splash pad, and it was so much fun. Right now it is lightning and thunder, so they unfortunately closed the pools, but that's okay. We have a busy afternoon ahead of us. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.